Hello, we are Reshape Cities. We are a research group from the Constructive Advanced Thinking or CAT program. We are early career scientists from different disciplines such as architecture, ecological engineer, geography, and political sciences. And we have been this week here in Paris, and we have done a lot of activities and met very interesting people and researchers during our stay.
The topic that we are dealing with in our Constructive Advanced Thinking Network is the socio-ecological reshaping of European cities and metropolitan areas. Nowadays, our societies in European cities are facing different kinds of challenges. Environmental challenges like continuous pollution of air and water or other natural resources, the loss of biodiversity or the increasing impacts of climate change, but also societal challenges like the increasing difficulties to achieve social cohesion or the need to develop a sustainable economy and sustainable transport systems. So within our research network, we are considering the concepts of nature-based solutions and green infrastructures to tackle these challenges. As in urban areas, there is a high demand for the use and functions of space. These concepts appear to be a promising approach to deal with these challenges and to address through multifunctionality and connectivity these challenges in a more sustainable way.
We have been meeting since last year. We already had 2 research meetings, and this is our third here in the Institute of Advanced Studies in Paris. We have been working together in this CAT network, and the intention is having time to work together and reflecting on the subject of our project. We have been working in different ways and in different approaches on nature-based solutions. And our network has the intention of involving different stakeholders and working on the topic of nature-based solutions from different angles, joining different research interests. During our stays, we have been able to visit different sites that already have applied nature-based solutions in different ways and in different scales as well. And the intention as well is to be able to interact with other researchers, to know researchers in Europe that work in similar fields, and also to meet other researchers of the Institute of Advanced Studies and express what is the development of our research.
And during this day here, first we met with the other fellows at the Institute and we presented our ideas, the ideas that we have been working on this week, and got a lot of feedback and different perspectives from all the disciplines that are present at the Institute. And such discussions are always like very inspiring and helpful and help us to open our minds to different disciplines thinking and concepts. And we also had a field visit. We visited Pierre-Antoine Versini at the École de Pont at Paris Tech, and his laboratory of hydrology, meteorology and complexity. And he showed us the green roof they have at the school, which is about 1 hectare large, and showed us their measurements about the cooling effect and the water storage capacity.
So our current work has been developing along the week, having further considerations on how nature-based solutions can be integrated into the urban environment, considering other aspects also relevant and other issues as active urban mobility, and also how to integrate it with climate change, biodiversity, and stormwater management. Also, during this week, we were here discussing these matters, and we're having meetings with our colleague who is now in UC Berkeley in California, and every day we meet with Joanna Guerin to have further discussions with her within our subject.